Well, that surprise is over, right? You guys already know now what coins to stack because they're right there in front of you, right? I'm just kidding. Well, hello everyone. Welcome to Campbell's Coins. I'm seeing a lot of new stackers, especially in 2020, 2021, and I'm hoping that a lot of you are seeing the problems with our economy, the dollar, and realizing that gold and silver is real money and excellent wealth preservation. As a result of all the new stackers, I would like to share with you the types of coins a new stacker should get and why, coming up. This video launches my beginner series for stackers. This video is purely for beginner stackers who don't know where to start. I get a ton of messages. What's the best gold and silver to buy? There are a lot of answers depending upon who you ask. I'm not saying these are the only options for you. I'm saying for a beginner, these options will serve you best. The opinions given in this video is specific to where you are located. I'm in the United States, so the majority of my opinions pertain to stacking in America. However, I know that there are restrictions and caveats for other countries, and you should do what's best for your geographical location. The best gold and silver coins for the beginner stacker is the American Silver Eagle, the American Gold Eagle, the American Gold Buffalo, the Canadian Maple Leaf, both gold and silver. The reasons I recommend these specific coins for beginners is for two big reasons and two reasons only: demand and liquidity. The American coins are always in demand in America, and the Canadian coins are popular in Canada as well as with many other countries. This means people are always buying, whether it's an LCS or a fellow stacker. Believe it or not, during a low silver demand period, when silver is flooding the market, generic silver is not always wanted. Some stores will refuse to buy it. I have seen it firsthand. Similar to gold bullion, I don't think we will see a low silver demand period for a very, very long time, if ever again, but I feel I should mention that nonetheless. An LCS may always want to buy gold bullion, but that does not mean it will be for well over spot. Some will buy it well under spot, especially for less desirable gold like the Krugerrand. Unfortunately, this is the truth with pre-33 gold too. A couple of years ago, the market really fell out on numismatic coins, and they could be picked up for spot price, if not melt price. However, the American Gold and Silver Eagles and Gold Buffalo are always purchased regardless of high or low demand. They always hold a premium over spots. Vertical Stacker recently did a video on the liquidity of American Silver Eagles and how he made the hype that is currently happening right now work in his favor. And I really do hate the word hype because it is finally time for silver to see, its moment. So I hope this quote-unquote hype continues. It might cost you more buying these coins than bullion or other gold and silver coins, especially like the Maple Leaf. But unless the price of gold and silver falls dramatically, you will get that premium back if you decide to sell. And like I mentioned, if you decide to sell, they will sell quicker because everyone wants them. The American Gold Buffalo is 1 ounce, 4/9 fine, pure gold. It is a pure gold coin. Nothing else is mixed in. These typically have mintages in the low hundreds of thousands each year and are mostly offered in just the 1 ounce size. I say mostly offered in just that size because there is 1 year, 2008, where the Gold Buffalo was offered in a 1/10 of an ounce, 1/4 ounce, 1/2 ounce, and 1 ounce sizes. It's the 2008 W, which is from West Point. No other year, so I can't say that it's never been done, or never will happen again, but currently it's just 1 year. The 1 ounce American Gold Eagle contains 1 ounce of 4/9 fine pure gold. However, It contains copper and silver, making the coin weigh a little more than an ounce and having a purity of 91.7%. So, with the copper and silver mixed into the American Gold Eagle, it is actually a little less than 100% pure gold. You might be wondering, why are they mixing in copper and silver? Why not just have a pure gold coin? The copper and silver are mixed in to strengthen the coin and make it more scratch resistant. Pure gold is extremely soft and it scratches really easily. The American Gold Eagle comes in many sizes for all types of wallets. There is a 1/10 of an ounce, 1/4 ounce, 1/2 ounce, and the full 1 ounce version. I have in front of you a proof 1 ounce, and then over here in your bottom right hand side is a 1/4 ounce. Over here I have 1 ounce buffalo. In the middle here we have the American Silver Eagle. Up here is a 1 ounce maple leaf. And then down here is a 1/4 ounce gold maple leaf. I don't have a full ounce gold maple leaf for this video, but you kind of get the picture here. The American Silver Eagle is 1 ounce of 3/9 fine pure silver. Purity is what really separates the American Gold and Silver Eagles from the Canadian Gold and Silver Maple Leafs. While I have included the gold and silver maple leafs in the must-have gold and silver coins list, these will not bring you the same premium as the American coins, especially in America. In Canada, I'm sure the maples bring better premium over the American coins. Outside the United States, the gold and silver maple leaf is extremely popular and holds sway in many countries. They are widely recognizable worldwide, and some outside the United States prefer them to the American silver and gold. The gold maple leaf is very popular because it's pure gold. 1 ounce of 4/9 fine pure gold to be exact. Nothing mixed in like the Gold Eagle. These have a slight difference over the American Gold Eagle, and that the Royal Canadian Mint produces a 1 gram version. I think they do a 1/20 of an ounce version. They definitely do a 1/10 of an ounce, 1/4 ounce, 1/2 ounce, and of course the 1 ounce full size. The silver maple leaf is 4/9 fine pure silver. That's 1 more 9 of fineness over the American Silver Eagle. And like the American Silver Eagle, it is only made in the 1 ounce size. While I have listed these coins as the best silver and gold coins to stack, it doesn't mean I like them personally. I like some of it, some parts of it, but it's not something I go gaga over. And let me tell you why. As I've mentioned in previous videos, I do not like the reverse design of the American Gold Eagle. It really doesn't do anything for me. I'll put up a picture here. I'm also not a huge fan of the silver maple leafs because they milk spot like crazy. Milk spot kills the value on some coins. People pay a huge premium buying freshly minted maple leafs, but as the weeks or months go on, these coins milk spot like none other. In 2018, the Royal Canadian Mint said that it has taken steps to eliminate milk spotting, but I really haven't seen much of an improvement. This isn't to say that every silver maple leaf will milk spot, but many will, and it's a shame to pay a premium on a coin only for it to milk spot. The American Silver Eagle will milk spot too, but in my opinion it is not as drastic as the maple leaf, and while the milk spots kill the value a little bit, the American Silver Eagle is still very liquid with or without milk spots. The Canadians also added some security features to the maple leaf in 2008, making them more difficult to counterfeit. This also made them more popular worldwide because people are, since they're used all over the place and traded with so many fakes out there, people really like to have that counterfeit technology. Coming up in June 2021, the US Mint is releasing a new design for the American Gold Eagle and Silver Eagle. I'll have those posted here. The obverse will remain the same, but the reverse of the coin will change. Not only will the design change, but they are also adding in security features to make these coins more difficult to counterfeit. People really like the pure gold coins over the 90% pure gold coins. The American Gold Eagle actually bucks this trend, and I suspect the reason is because it's created and backed by the American government. For some reason, that still holds sway. Given everything that's going on, that doesn't make any sense to me. The other reason I've included the American coins is I have also found the demand for American gold and silver to surpass the other government mints. I know this obviously sounds biased considering I live in the United States, but I'm going off of sales numbers year after year. Sales numbers for the American gold and silver coins is actually something that bothers people, including myself, when I first started stacking. Why? Why would that bother anyone? With the exception to the gold buffalo, they are not special. The US Mint makes millions of the American gold eagle and the American silver eagle. Both of these coins, they make a ton of every single year. Much more than almost every other sovereign mint, yet the premiums are the highest over every other mint. That never really made any sense to me, especially because I like coins with low mintages. Low mintages often create higher demand and prices. The American coins defeat this logic for the reasons I've already mentioned. People just love them. These coins offer lots of different options and sizes for all sorts of different needs and wallets. They are extremely liquid and they are extremely popular, and people are always buying them. I hope you have found these coins and my reasons informative. If you made it this far in the video, you guys are all my super stackers and I really appreciate you. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to let me know down in the comments below. Thank you all so much for watching. This is Campbell's Coins, and that is my 2 cents.